Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to perform red cabbage activity using household substances. So let's start. Main ingredient is the red cabbage. It is available on the superstore. Red cabbage is also called as the purple cabbage. Red cabbage is a natural indicator. Indicators are the substances used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. I already have made a video on litmus paper indicator. I'll give the link in the description below. Go check out that video too. Red cabbage contains anthocyanin, which is one of the pigment. This pigment have different structures in different pH values, so it gives the different colors. So now I am going to prepare the red cabbage indicator. To do that, we have to chop the red cabbage into strips, and now I am dipping it into the hot water. The dye will come out into the precipitate. I am adding few more. We have to wait for few minutes. This is the solution obtained from the red cabbage and water. The red cabbage dye has been precipitated into this water, and now we can use this as an indicator. The first substance is the lime juice. See, I have poured it. Now the substance has turned into red color because the pH is around 2 to 3. Now the next substance is the vinegar. It has turned into light purple and the pH of this substance is 2 to 3. When the pH is less than 3, this is the structure of anthocyanin and the color is red. The next one is the soft drink. See, you can see that it turned into light purple. So the pH is around 3.5. The next one is the baking soda. See, you can see that it turned into blue. When the pH is around 4 to 7, this is the structure of anthocyanin and the color is violet. And when the pH is 7 to 8, then the color of the substance is blue and this is the structure of anthocyanin. The next one is the detergent. See, you can see that it turned into green and the pH is around 8 to 9. The next one is the soap solution. See, you can see that it turned into dark green and the pH is around 10. This is the structure when pH is greater than 8 of the anthocyanin. So this is how we can use purple cabbage indicator to test whether the substances are acidic or basic. Now let me show you one neutralization reaction. So I am mixing vinegar and baking soda. See, you can see that the color of the substance has turned into purple, which is the original color of purple cabbage. And the pH is around 7 because it is neutralized. I have also made a video on this reaction. I'll give the link in the description. Go check out that video too. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll come up with a new video soon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.